Hi dear students, welcome back to Suha Math Zone. In this video, we are going to see the third subtopic of the first chapter. The third subtopic 1.3 is visualizing number sequence. What does mean that? Visualizing number sequence means many number sequence can be visualized using pictorial formations. Pictorial formations is nothing but using dots. So, visualizing mathematical objects through a picture or diagram can be easy to understand in mathematical concept. Using that pictorial formations, we can understand the mathematical concept easily. So here we are going to see the 7 visualizing number sequences. So using the dots. First one is all ones. We already know about that. All ones means all number is ones. So 1, 1, 1, 1. And it will go on. So this is the number patterns. We already saw about the last videos. That is the number patterns. So here we are going to see the visualizing number sequences. So just I am using the dots to represent the sequences. 1 means we are using the 1 dots. This is all ones. Then next one is counting number. Counting number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to it will go on. So 1 means 1 dot. Here I am using the 1 dot. 2 is 2 dots. 3 is 3 dots. Then 4 dots. 5 is 5 dots. 6 is 6 dots. You can use 2 rows also. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next one is odd number. Odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 1 means 1 dot. 3 is 3 dots. 5 is 5 dots. Here I am using the 2 rows. 7 means 7 dots. 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the odd number. Then next one is even number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2 means here I am using the 2 dots, 4 dots, 6 dots, 8 dots, 10 dots. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next one is triangular number. Triangular number is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 and so on. So here I am using the 1. 1 means 1 dots. 3 is 3 dots. This is the triangular sequence. So the dots are formed using the triangular patterns. So 6, 1, 2, 3. So the next dot is here. 4, 6, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means each side of the triangle is equal. So this is equilateral triangle. Each side of the triangle is equal. So here you can see that 1, 2, 3. This side is 3 dots and this side is also 3 dots. This side also 3 dots. Here it's 10. This is equilateral triangle. 1 dot, 2, 3, 4. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the equilateral triangle. Next one is squares. Squares numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. So 1 means 1 dot, 4 means 4. This is the square. So the dots are formed in square formations. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The next one is 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. This is the square. Square means the four sides have equal size. Next one is cubes. Cube numbers are 1, 8, 27, 64 and so on. This is 1 cube. This is 2 cube. This one is 3 cube. And this one is 4 cube. Okay. Up to squares, what we use? We use dots for the pictorial representations. For the cubes, you have to use the cube formations. You cannot use the dots. Okay. So for the 1 cubes, here I am draw the cube. Okay, 1 cube. Then 2 cube. Just you draw the 1 cube. Okay. Inside you can draw the another cube. 2 cube means the cube is equally divided into 2 parts. Okay. This is 2 cube. The next one is 3 cube. Just bigger than, you can draw the cube. So just divide 3 parts. 1, 1, 2, 3. Then again 1, 2, 3. Upper side 1, 2, 3. So here also 1, 1, 2, 3. Join these lines. We get the 3 cubes. Then 4 cube. You just draw the bigger cube. So inside you have to draw the 4 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. These are also 4 parts. Okay, 4 parts. Then join these lines. We get the 4 cubes. 2, 3. 2, 3. This is the 4 cube. In our next video, we will discuss about the figurative question for this topic. Thank you. Thanks for watching.